Yes, my journey people, big up yourself every time. Yes, man, as you see me in the kitchen today, you know what's going on. Today is a blessed day. Today is New Year's Day. The day that we all wanted to see, and it is here today. Yes, man. Today, and I'm in the kitchen today. What I'm going to do today, I'm going to take you straight here with me doing some jerk chicken, oven jerk chicken. I'm going to do today. So I'm going to take you. The chicken here, it well prepared. 2 days ago, I well seasoned it up, have it in the fridge. So now it is out, and I am about to do some banging today, right? Oven jerk chicken today. So come along and you will see where and what I am about to do in the kitchen in this new year today. Come on, journey along with me. To all my subscribers, to all my journey family, I wish you a happy new year. And it is right here. So just be safe and be blessed throughout this new year here. 2024. Tell yourself that it's a blessed year for you. Yeah, man. Come on in. This is the chicken here. So I place it right straight into the... This is it. This is it. This is all of my chicken here. So what I'm going to do now, as I say, I'm going to do some oven jerk chicken. Okay. Yes, this is the chicken. So this is it. Well rock. So I'm going to well rock the chicken in this file paper here. Yes. Yes, this is it. It's well in the oven now. So I will get back to you right there. Yes, my journey people, this is the potato salad that I have here. I'm going to make some potato salads along with the oven jerk chicken. So this is it. This is my mixed vegetable here that I'm going to put in it. And this is some green bean here. Green bean. So come on in and I will show you what I'm about to do. Yes, this is my green bean here. They're going to put straight in it here. This is my green bean here. And this is my and this is my mayonnaise here. I'm going to put some mayonnaise in it, right? So just watch what I'm doing here. this is it. This is my delicious potato salad here. Looking lovely. Yeah, man. See it there? See it there? Can see it all around. This is my potato salad dish here. Yes, see the beans them, mixed vegetable and everything. Yeah, man. Right, that's it. Yes, this is the first looks of my chicken here. Right, this is it. So what I do, I make some sauce over here. Yes, I make some sauce over here, and this is what I use into my sauce. This is some jerk season here, very peppery and nice, delicious, and a tip of browning I put in it. Right, so this is my sauce that I've made here, well thick and nice. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to baste my chicken right over here with the sauce here. Right. This is it. This is my chicken here. I'm basting my chicken, spicy and delicious. Nice and easy. Nice and easy chicken here. Yes, man. You see it? Nice and easy. Yes, I am here and I am basting my chicken right over here. So when this chicken finish, oh my goodness, you're gonna see the texture on how it looks. So beautiful. Right, that's up. Right, that's right there. So I'm gonna put it back in the oven for our next 10 minutes, and that is it. My oven jerk chicken. Right, and this is a little of the the same juice that come off the chicken. So I'm just gonna place it right over the chicken here a little bit. Okay, all right. This is it. My chicken that I base here, so I'm gonna just push the wrap on back and put it back straight into the oven just for around, say, 10 minutes, right? And then that's it. This is my journey, people. This is the chicken here. I'm just putting on some, you know, on top of it here. Alright. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to just do it like this. And then I'm just gonna put it back in here just for another 5 minutes, and that's it out of here. This is it. Yummy. Yummy, 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 yummy. Oven jerk chicken. Yes, my people, this is the finishing part of my jerk oven jerk chicken. Yeah, man, sit there. Yes, this is it. This is it. Yummy. Watch the chicken. See there? Wow. Look at it. Look at it. Look at this, man. Wow. Me I tell you now, see the jerk sauce? Mad in it. Yes. Look at my delicious, lovely baked jerk oven chicken. Look at my oven baked jerk chicken. My oven jerk chicken. Look how delicious it is. And my potato salad is right on point. Wow. Wow. Take a bite. Come to my Journey kitchen. Come and have dinner with me. Journey people, big up yourself. Have a blessed and prosperous rest of the day. New year we say, new law we say, new goals. Big up yourself. Lovely dish. Potato salad, oven jerk. Right, that's right there. Yeah.